Hey guys, welcome back to another video where today Brooke has a real quick surprise for you. It is currently raining here in Texas. So we have our umbrellas. We're gonna go. We're gonna try to go on a walk.
I'm bored, okay? We're gonna go pick up the lawn. She loves to walk in the rain. Now it's actually raining.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's like there's a white bird flying.
Oh my gosh.
That's like me and the lawn.
Because, you know I'm recording, right?
Stop pausing.
So we might go to
it's raining!
my house right after we get warm. We have to come back at literally 7:30.
Hey, Steph.
I'm only wearing flip-flops and I do not like running in flip-flops. Sorry that the camera's shaking so much. We're controlling. Yeah? I'll meet you guys at the end of the block. Alrighty, so almost there. Hopefully don't get that wet.
Today. I was just cracking up. Me and his mom and dad were like, okay, see ya. Bye, honey. And I was like, ooh. She's like, you want to kiss me? He's like, no. And she pulled his hand up.
Garrett's car just passed.
And she's like, anyone else want one? And Adrian's like, I do. She's like, okay. And she walks over to him. He's like, no.
Oh my gosh, guys. So, what was I gonna say?
Adrian and me are the exact same size.
I know.
I want to tell him. Me and Adrian are literally the exact same size.
Hold on, can you hold my umbrella over me? Because I need to wash my screen.
Let's go.
Alright, so I just cleaned my screen because it had a little bit of water on it. So comment down below if it's raining anywhere else. If you're not in Texas, comment down below.
Louisiana, it's really bad flood. If you're from Louisiana,
If it's not
please
raining.
tell us. And if
By
you're
the way,
from Chicago or Oklahoma.
I will be saying how long my videos upload. So my videos. Huh? I have it takes about 3 minutes to upload this video. So yeah. So guys, if you subscribe, I will buy. You guys will get for free an Xbox One.
It's a giveaway, okay? You already entered. If you're subscribed,
iPhone 6s.
you already entered in the
Galaxy
giveaway.
S, a Note, and it's gonna be waterproof. And
they'll all come with these fancy functions.
Mac Air.
MacBook Air.
Oh my gosh! I swear, if she's not home.
Well,
She's not gonna be home, Brooke. She's not. Do you think we should just wait at least?
No.
Because no, I was walking home and I saw her dad come. When I was coming to her house yesterday.
You know what I hate about umbrellas? When they have like this like
Your arms are so muddy.
Yeah, the rain did on Leo. Like when they have this, like if you want to like pull it down, you actually if you want to pull it down, you actually press this. Like I'm always so. We just connected to Milan's Wi-Fi. So yeah, and like I'm so scared that my fingers can get stuck in it. No, the way I talk on camera is not even close. Not even close. To the way I talk in real life. Oh crap, I just slid.
Phone. Give me the phone. Okay. She's not mean. She ain't mean. She's so nice. Like a chicken rice.
Okay, pause it.
Alright guys, we're about to teleport to Milan's. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Knocking on the doors. Cross your fingers, guys.
Be home, Norman. Like, you take my love for granted. I just don't understand.
They still haven't answered. Ugh. Yeah, ring that doorbell.
I did twice.
Oh, boom! Okay, there's a signer. Guys, I had to write 241 numbers. Literally, like from 1 to 241 on my book. Subject 3. And we still have to write it on every single one of our books. Why? That's not.
Guys, wait, I'm going to show them how to get umbrellas ready. Okay, it's time to get umbrellas ready. Let's unfold it. Let's pull it out. As you can see, we're just going to pull it out. Now, grab this part. Let's see if we can.
Hey, you're putting water all over the camera.
Cool. So let's get this part and pull it up.
Getting water all over me.
Woo!
So, yeah. My hand is...
I just don't understand. How? That hard?
I will walk with my phone in the umbrella, just not me. See, my hair's already getting wet. I'm just gonna let that on. The streets are soaking. You guys... Well, you better comment down below, okay? Comment. Yeah. Just freaking comment. Why were you not home? Daycare? You should be home from daycare by then. So tell me why. So I thought you better cry. Peace out, bruh. I meant peace out, Milan. So get off this video, Milan. You better tell me what's going on to me. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It's a Satan.
Did you know babies are like drunk adults? Babies are drunk adults. That's a real thing. I want to tell them. True fact, babies are like... Do I talk like how I sound like on camera? I talk way.
I think so.
Babies are like drunk.
Hello, we're not recording, so just say something. Alright. Yeah, you better put that umbrella up.
You
Better. Babies are like poopers that just poop in their diapers.
You're like drunk adults.
Hey!
I said it.
I'll cut it out.
If you know how to.
I do. I don't know how to cut it out.
Right. Hey, I just don't understand it. You take my blood for granted.
Really?
Yeah.
It's hard. It's all muddy on the sidewalk.
I slid over here.
She was about to slid. I will be playing Super Mechs. By the way, I'll leave the link down in the description below. Super Mechs, check it out. Upgrade your character. Do all that stuff. Hopefully, you can learn how to play. It's a super fun game. Also, check out Roblox. My fave game. Super Mechs is my second favorite game. What was that? She's like, watch out! Kia! I'm sorry. I'm just sorry. My shoes feel like they're muddy inside.
Black people.
Will you stop spitting?
No.
Crazed mania. Hey! If we see Mom's dad come by us, I'm gonna kill myself. You think that scared me?
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kill myself if Lauren's dad comes by us when we get to our house.
I was like, what a rip off. I'd make never again.
We still have like 2 miles till we get home, so.
What? 2 miles?
Alright,
We're
so
gonna
guys.
teleport. Ready? What's that?
Oh crap, I didn't stop it. Ah, hold my umbrella.
Oh crap, we didn't teleport. Let's try
Oh
this
crap,
again.
it didn't work. Let's try it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Ducky Momo, Ducky Momo, Ducky Momo.
We're supposed to be teleporting together.
It didn't really work.
Let's teleport. At the end, hopefully we teleport to our house.
We only teleported
Ready?
this far.
So.
Ducky Momo, didn't work again. Alright, hold on. Hold my umbrella.
One more time.
Wait, what's happening? Are we teleporting already?
It worked!
Whoa, it worked.
What an adventure!
Why is my umbrella right there? And it's way more wet than usual. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little scene of the walk. Yeah. So, thanks for watching again. And I'll see you guys next time. Sorry, bye, Brooke. She's right there. I should have said bye. Woo! Peace out.